Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can check your browsing history on AliExpress. If you browse something on AliExpress a few days ago and now you want to check it out, you can do it. For that, just open your AliExpress account on your mobile phone and go to your home page. Now at the home page you can see there are multiple options at the bottom. Click on account option at the very right side. When you click on account option, here you can see at the top there is an option called history. This is your browsing history. Just click on this history option. When you click on this, here you can see all your history. The thing that you have browsed on AliExpress or the things that you have buy are added to your cart list. All the items will be visible here. So this is your complete browsing and search history on AliExpress.